Welcome to this video about advancements that AI has made recently, especially in context of real-life applications of ordinary people. Our video specifically focuses on achievements of physical intelligence, which is building general-purpose AI for the physical world. The company is developing foundation models and learning algorithms to power robots and future physical devices. Let us jump into the recent breakthroughs. Before proceeding, please subscribe our channel if you have not done so yet. It is common knowledge that robots are specialized for repetitive tasks, like making identical welds on an assembly line, which require extensive manual programming. However, AI could revolutionize this by enabling robots to learn new behaviors and adapt to their environment based on user instructions, similar to language models. Unlike language models, which mine vast amounts of web data, robots lack a comprehensive data source, necessitating the collection of large amounts of specific data for each new skill and application. Over the past 8 months, physical intelligence has developed Pi-0, a general-purpose robot foundation model aimed at advancing artificial physical intelligence. This model represents companies' vision of enabling users to ask robots to perform any task, similar to how they interact with large language models, LLMs, and chatbot assistants. Unlike LLMs, Pi-0 integrates images, text, and actions, gaining physical intelligence through embodied experiences from robots and learning to directly output motor commands via a novel architecture. It is versatile enough to control various robots, either by following prompt instructions or being fine-tuned for specific, challenging applications. This development marks a significant step toward companies' ultimate goal of seamless, intuitive human-robot interaction. To achieve general-purpose robotics, physical intelligence is developing Pi-0, a prototype that leverages large-scale data and a novel network architecture. While this is a significant step, it's just the beginning of a journey towards creating truly versatile robots. Pi-0 leverages internet-scale visual language models, VLMs like GPT-4V and Gemini, to acquire semantic knowledge and visual understanding. This pre-trained model, adapted for real-time robotic control, enables Pi-0 to learn from smaller 3 billion parameter VLM as a starting point and perform complex tasks. At Physical Intelligence, the mission is to create foundation models that can control any robot to perform any task. The initial model, Pi-0, demonstrates significant progress by performing complex tasks like laundry folding and box assembly. While this is a promising start, the company aims to further develop long-horizon reasoning, autonomous self-improvement, robustness, and safety in future models. By leveraging internet-scale pre-training and diverse data, Physical Intelligence envision creating highly capable general-purpose robot policies. This success requires collaboration and new technologies. Physical Intelligence is already partnering with companies and labs to improve hardware and incorporate their data into new models for broader application. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.